Now, in order to solve a problem, remember, you first have to write what you have and what you are looking for. This is very important. Look at here. Your velocity changes from 8 meter per second to 20 meter per second. In 4 seconds, find acceleration. So, as I said, this is very important. There is some mark allocated to this part. If you don't write it, my students are going to lose mark if they don't write it. So you have to write this, and it's going to make it much easier for you to solve problems. So you write what you have. So the initial velocity in here equals 8 meter per second, and the final velocity V final equals 20 meter per second. In 4 seconds, of course, the time is 4 seconds. Now I am looking for acceleration. I have to write this part. This is very important. Now I write my formula. Another step which is very important is to write my formula. V final minus V initial equals divided by T equals A. This is the formula I write in here. And then I substitute. The next step is to substitute. Of course, 20 minus 8 divided by 4. And in here, so these steps are very important. And in here I will have 12 divided by 4. So my acceleration would end up being 3 meter per second square. So as you can see in here, this is actually a final answer. To me, final answer doesn't have a lots of mark. It has a little bit of mark. These steps have very important marks, including this step. So make sure you write all the steps if you want to learn physics very well. And also get a good mark from a teacher like me.